Here I have an iPhone 7 for sale, so it's currently working. Lock button works, unlock, fingerprint works, volume up, volume down, silent switches, front and rear camera, they're working fine. Settings, Wi-Fi is on, yep, sweet. No iCloud lock, ready to go. General, about, you can see all the serial number information there, 32 gigs. I'll show you that it's charging. Yep. Connected to the computer, it's charging at the moment. Show you battery health. That's on the general. Yep. And the battery, there we go. The battery is 79%. But it works fine, no problem. And I'll show you on and off, so you know there's no issues with it. Turn off. You can see the condition. No damages, just general use marks. And turn it on. Yep, there we go. Thank you for watching.